criminal act.
Ka Central Puja Committee meglaya kala Pynrem ya ka jingjah ha ki social media ha ka ba uwe ubriu u akar sagar ubla le ya ki kam Pynjah Burom ya ka jinglong kentang ke mani ha Mawlynnong. U President ka Central Puja Committee unaba bat charge ula khot ban penlong ya ka jing tokit ka state ban ai jing pen saja da ka bating da ki Borsin Shah district kanang ban penne pensa ka riti dostur jong ka jing esuk ha pedeng jong ki niam ha ka jilla. Ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam ban penne ya ka jingsuk ha pedeng ki jinget niam beper ha ka jilla.
Incident, it is isolated, but in my 63 years of life, I think to me it is the first where we have seen, and this should be nipped in the bud. That's why you see, the moment I heard this, I talked to my colleagues and everyone unanimously said that this should be condemned and it should be nipped in the bud. We cannot allow this. You see, we have the SAF, which all of us form together, Shillong All Faith Forum. We meet, we interact, and we see how to take this forward, and not only on religious lines. You see, drugs is a menace here. During the COVID times, you all know how we worked hand in hand. So we have a system here, and this is possible because of the indigenous majority tribal community.